your girl Amber Victoria. I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today I wanted to quickly come on here and tell you guys about my hair. I've been getting so many different questions about my hair, and I get compliments about my hair every day on Instagram, in person. Just everybody loves my braids. We all know that knotless braids are in style right now. They're popping, honey. It's the thing for the summer. So if you're interested in who did it, how long did it take, how do I keep up with it, what did I use, all of that good info, just stay tuned and keep watching. I decided to give me some jumbo, well, I guess you could call these more large, maybe not jumbo. As you can see and hear, I added some beads to the bottom just for a little extra you know what I'm saying. I got the idea from Sweetie, Pop Smoke, Diera from DK4L. So the person who did my braids, her name is Jasmine. I will link her Instagram below, but she is located in the Alabama and Georgia area. I know her personally. I sent her pictures of what I wanted and she said she could do it, so we got it done, baby girl. I think the braids took only like 2 hours, honestly. 2 to 3 hours. Like, it did not take long at all. Plus they're large. So this is the pack hair that she told me to get. So it's the Spectra braid brand, 26 inches, and I got color number 2. It costs $2.99 a pack, and I think I bought 5 packs, and I have this one left over. But you guys can see they come like right to my butt. I have enjoyed these braids so much, and since I have this extra pack of hair, I think I'm gonna get the perimeter. Is that called the perimeter? Perimeter. What? I'm gonna get my edges done again before I go on this beach trip in 2 weeks. So hopefully I can keep them up till then. So what I've been doing to keep up my knotless braids, you guys, is I always tie my edges down with a silk scarf. I fold it like this so that it's thin and it goes right around my edges, and I tie that down because I love my edges. I love having those little baby hairs right there. So I tie that down, and then on top of that I have this silk do-rag that I'm pretty sure I got from a beauty supply store. Put this on top, and then I top it with a bonnet, you guys, just to get the beads up so I won't be laying on them and everything in my sleep. So this is what I do my edges, my baby hairs with. 24-hour edge tamer, extra firm hold, and I got that at Beauty and Beyond. So I also use the Main Choice growth oil in my parts just to keep my hair moisturized. I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar with the Main Choice brand. They're great for natural hair products, and I've got that at Target. And then I also use this sulfur 8 medicated anti-dandruff conditioner. It's a dandruff treatment for braids, and because I have really bad dandruff, I got this so that my braids can last longer. And it's a spray bottle, so I just spray that, you know, probably like once or twice a week. And I love this stuff. I think I got this on Amazon or something. And then I also wanted to show you guys the beads that I have on the end of my hair. I have the clear beads. This is the brand that was at my Beauty and Beyond. It's $1.99 a pack, and it came with clear and white, and I just needed the clear because they didn't have a pack with just clear, so I had to get this one. And so I have a bunch of white beads just left over. But I mean, I could always use those later. So let me know what y'all think about the beads. Like, they're coming back in style. If you like my hair, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, boo, because I freaking love it, you guys. guys, I'm wearing it a little different today. I've got the little, what is this called? I don't know. The little, another little braid or twist going across the crown. I decided to do that, but normally I wear it like completely down. I can show you guys. Especially the knotless braids. There's so many different styles you can put your braids in because it's knotless, so they can go in any direction right away. Even if you just get them done, you can pull your hair up the same day, and that's why I freaking love knotless braids. And they're so comfortable. You know, giving different vibes, different looks. Loving it, loving it. Hey, how you doing? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's shaking? What's shaking with you? What's up, Zaddy? Hey, I'm single. Are you? Or I wear it back in a ponytail to work. I haven't put them in a bun just yet because of the beads. Once my braids get really, really old, I'm gonna take the beads off and I'm gonna just wear it in a bun every day. And I'm probably like keep 2 pieces out here and then do like a bun. Y'all know what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? You feeling the vibe? Like they just flip over so easy. Look at that. Look, and it's smooth too, honey. Who you know? Who you know, boo, okay? If my edges look bad, I'm sorry, I didn't really get to do them. The only thing about the beads, boo, you gotta get used to that noise. This shit makes a lot of fucking noise. I do have a video of different styles you can put your braids or twist in. I'll probably link it below, but it was when I had my passion twist in, which you can still do the same thing with braids as you can with passion twist. So if you're looking for some different styles to put your braids in, check out that video, you guys. It's like 14 different styles. I would also just like to add that, you guys, I have been wearing these braids for weeks already, so if they don't look the best, they're not fresh, okay? They've been in for a few weeks, and I'm gonna push it at least 2-3 more weeks, okay? But that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys like my hair. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.